Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift card or wallet code on Steam mobile app. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Steam mobile app on your phone and tap on this option of wallet on top right, and then over here simply go ahead, tap on this option of redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Once you tap on this, it will simply open up this kind of interface where you simply have to add in your Steam wallet code and tap on continue for it to be redeemed. Now you can do that same for your particular gift card as well. Enter your gift card code or wallet code and tap on continue, and the gift card or the wallet code will be redeemed. Now you can also choose to simply purchase digital gift card, or you can simply check out the wallet balance right at the bottom as well once you have redeemed it. So that's basically how you will be able to do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.